Hi, my name is Cedric. I live in Kansas City, Missouri, and I used to work for Kiwit Engineering. I'm also currently serving as a in the U.S. Army Reserve part-time. Yeah, absolutely. During my time at the University of Nebraska Lincoln, I spent 2 years, my two last years, um, with Formula SAE. Formula SAE is a student organization that challenges engineering students to build small Formula type of cars for racing. And during my time there, it was such an exciting experience. I got to work on the chassis, on the design for the chassis and the fuel tank, as well as a lot of components using SolidWorks and a lot of design software. I definitely learned quite a bit when it comes to implementation and in for automotive design, implementation, logistics, and time management. It was quite a great experience, and I learned quite a bit when it comes to the automotive industry and everything that goes into to building a car and working with a great team to be successful. During my time at the University of Nebraska Lincoln, I get the chance to work with Formula SAE. It's an organization it's an organization that challenges engineers into designing Formula racing cars, small Formula racing cars, and I definitely get some experience when it comes to designing brakes and the chassis. We didn't do much HVAC because it's kind of a formula car. It's kind of an open design. But when working on the chassis, I was definitely involved when it comes to the brakes. Was quite a great experience when it comes to modeling the chassis and making sure that the differential and the braking system is working as designed. And it definitely took quite a bit of testing and implementation and testing to make sure that our design was always up to date and safe for the driver. But at the end, we got the job done, and we were pretty successful at competing in our races. And yeah, it was quite a bit of a was quite a great experience working with such a great team at the University of Nebraska Lincoln and learning about those type of braking system and differential, as well as the chassis and everything that goes into that type of design. Whenever I'm facing a technical challenge, I definitely do my research. I try to figure it out by myself. If I can reach out to somebody with much more experience, I'll definitely take this opportunity to reach out to my team members and see if anybody can help me when it comes to solving this issue. I really love problem solving. I challenge myself to learn and be more efficient when it comes to solving any type of issues. And I truly believe that my analytical and problem solving skills from the University of Nebraska, from my bachelor's in mechanical engineering and my master's in engineering management, gave me the tools and the passion to always do some extensive research in order to find the solution to any type of issues. So yeah, I'll definitely reach out to anybody in my team that can help me. If not, I'll do extensive research in order to figure out this problem. And that's I definitely think that doing research is the best way to learn and teaching whatever I would learn to somebody else is basically like learning twice. That would be my process. As an engineer at Workhorse, I will definitely be able to bring my knowledge of HVAC system. I have almost 3 years in this industry, and I learned so much when it comes to HVAC. From going to Carrier Enterprise, a Carrier University. As you know, Carrier is the father of HVAC systems. I learned so much going to the production facility, talking to application engineers, and working with application engineers at solving issues when it comes to design for HVAC systems. So this knowledge that I gained through going to this industry will be a great contribution to your engineering team. I also have analytical and problem solving skills from my education, bachelor's in mechanical engineering and master's in engineering management. And I do have some experience when it comes to project management. And I definitely believe that I will be able to take on any challenge I will be faced with. For my time at the University of Nebraska Lincoln, I learned quite a bit when it comes to SolidWorks and CAD. In fact, I took CAD and SolidWorks in college, and I was able to apply those classes to my student organization, Formula SAE, when I was working on the design for the chassis and the fuel tank. So starting from there and taking my experience to the HVAC design world, I was able to apply CAD and SolidWorks in most of my projects. So I have quite a bit of experience when it comes to using those softwares, and I'm confident I will be proficient when it comes to applying those skills to any work environment. As you can see in my resume, I am also in the US Army Reserves. And my job there is I'm a wheel mechanic, basically a mechanic. So calling under a truck and turning a wrench is basically what I do on a daily basis for the Army. I've been doing it since 2015, and I'm really proud to be serving this amazing country. Yeah, I definitely have quite a bit of experience when it comes to turning a wrench and going under a truck, and I always enjoy it. It's always a great time to be able to touch something and actually make something out of my own. And so I'm definitely comfortable when it comes to doing this type of work. Yes, I can travel domestically and internationally. I do have a passport, and I definitely enjoy traveling. So it's definitely a great hobby of me as well. So, but yes, I do have a passport, and I can travel internationally. When I'm not in the office, I definitely enjoy going to community events to meet people and make connections and make new friends. But like I said, I also love traveling, seeing new places and talking to new people. From the military, I'm also a runner. I try to get few miles every day, usually about 3 to 4 miles. And it's definitely one of my strongest hobby. And I am also a soccer player. I got that for my roots from West Africa. I I like to think that I'm pretty good at it, and I try to go out on the field from time to time. And on the weekend, I do. From the military, I learned that physical fitness is very important for people, and I try to organize a workout, an outdoor workout with my friends and whoever wants to join on Saturday morning. And yeah, it's definitely a great time to be able to teach people whatever physical training I gained from the military, and help my friends stay in shape and work out as well. So those are the things I do when I'm off work. Thank you.